my past.
And if you hear this song, then go on and